Good morning, everybody. Hopefully everybody's doing good on this wonderful gloomy day. We're on exit 66 in Ohio, 70 heading eastbound. And yeah, nothing much to it, but let's go drive. That was some Bosnian music blasting. Alright, that would stop. This radio is like really annoying with the whole music thing. It'll just like randomly play music and whatnot after like a call comes, and if I once it ends, and it's not in the settings, like you can't shut it off. I've looked everywhere. See, like this guy's calling me, and watch, it's gonna play again. I don't have any trucks, so I'm just not gonna answer it. Everything's covered, you know, but like sometimes they call you, like they'll call me randomly, like, do you have a truck in California? And we never even run California, so it's like, how did you even get an idea that I'm there? And sometimes they'll call you at like midnight or something. It's like, I don't understand like how they even have time to go through all of the carriers that they work with to see if they have a truck there. Like, that's crazy. You know how many carriers they probably go through? But it's like they have people that they only hire to just call. It's so crazy. Yesterday was a mess. I booked 2 loads for these drivers, and style shit. Fixed my little window thing, so I literally, like, I never bought the bolt. I literally just need a bolt, and I don't know what side. See, look at that. That guy's got a mini split AC. That's the idea I'm wanting. I don't know if you guys could even see that. Hopefully we can catch up. Probably not, because he's going faster than me, and I'm locked out on 68. But he literally had a mini split on the back of the truck. That's the idea I want with my generator idea, to throw a mini split on the back. It's basically a cheap man's DIY APU. If that generator goes out, just buy a new one for 300 bucks instead of throwing 300 bucks on a simple APU repair. But yeah, we're heading to Reading, PA. My delivery is tonight at Amazon. I left yesterday. I drove like 250 miles, and then I'm driving the rest today. It's like 820 miles total. So that's the plan. Just keep on rolling here. Get there. But yeah, yesterday was a mess. My load was the only one that I actually got loaded on time. The other 2 loads that I booked for the drivers, both of them were getting loaded for like freaking 7-8 hours. So I have to call in and stop and check in what's going on with one of the guys' deliveries, because they're holding him there forever. Yeah guys, we're gonna keep on rolling and catch you guys in a bit. It's like impossible to go by one freaking day without some crap happening, man. How are people this bad at driving? Like, I just don't get it. Holy crap. It's like common sense, man. It just makes 0 sense. Like, here I am on 70, like, just look at road signs, man, and then, man, I mean, there's like an accident up there, and I'm like literally right behind it. The road is already screwed here. It's already narrow. It's like already a mess. So it's like I'm be stuck here probably for a minute. Like, come on. Cops just came, so like, you know that this just happened. I'm just like so tired, man. Like, I'm literally like worn out. Not trying to have like a rant type of day, but like, man, these brokers just wear me out, man. Like, I swear to God, people complain about trucking and stuff and how it's hard, this and that. Let me tell you this. Besides the fact that you're away from home, it's the easiest freaking job you'll do. You're literally driving and sitting. Like, that's it. Told the people complaining, oh, it's so hard. It's not. I don't care what you say. It's literally not. It's the easiest job. Like, have you ever done a physical labor job? Have you ever like been a roofer or like, I don't know, like installing fences or something that's actually labor intensive? If you've done something like that, and those jobs, working on roofs in like 100-degree weather in summer, carrying shingles, then come talk to me. I've done a few roofs with this guy, and boy, I give him props. That stuff is hard. I'm talking like hard. People complain about trucking. As I said, you're away from home, that's it. Like, sure, there's late nights and you're tired and whatnot, but come on, most of the days you're literally just driving. Especially if you're a company driver for like a big fleet company, you have all the comforts, brand new truck, you don't move a finger. Like, come on, be real with yourself. But just dealing with brokers is just so stressful, man, because most of them, like, there's only a selected few that are honest and willing to actually work stuff out, but like most of them, man, they'll say anything to get that load out. And once that load is out, good luck. Like yesterday, I booked this load and the guy's like promising the load's ready, load's ready. My guy shows up there, there's 9 freaking trucks. And he was supposed to go straight through, so obviously that screwed up his delivery. He couldn't do it. And now he's stuck at his delivery in Memphis for a whole day. So what was supposed to be a 5-hour transit straight through now has turned into a 2-day load. It's just like always something. It's just a mess, you know? I'm just dealing with this crap. It's just stressful. Like, come on, like, we can't just be honest. Like, it's so crazy. I don't know if this guy's trying to like go through this lane. Like, come on, man, you see the lane's closed, just switch over. I just don't get people, man. You're not gonna go in front of me and cut me off, partner. Like, the lane is clearly closed, bro. I'm glad I made it through Indiana last night, because, you know, that's usually my plan when I'm going east, is like to get through Indiana. Somebody was honking, on-time transport. I know that's local. Oh, maybe it's this guy I know. Is this lane closed as well? Yep. And there's like a nasty wreck. It looks like 70 eastbound is like completely shut. Like, what the hell? And this has been going on for like months and months, if not years. This road work, like, and like there's that pickup up there that's crossed sideways, and now 70 eastbound is completely shut. And you have to take 71. We got some idiot with a trailer. Probably got cut off. Like, how did that even happen though? That looks like a mess. Let's see how much time that adds, or where I'm even gonna turn around. Like, this thing is still not catching on. Come on, partner, you need to reroute. I'm just gonna follow that truck. .670 east. Signs for 670 east. Leonard Avenue. Detour. Hopefully I don't get stuck anywhere. You just gotta love it, all those people that are like acting like they check every single route. Like, what would you do right now? You would pull over and call every person in this neighborhood, make sure you can go this way? Come on, man. Like, hopefully I can fit under this bridge. I mean, it's a highway. I mean, it's a pretty modern bridge, so Columbus is not that bad. Once you get up like Pittsburgh and all that stuff, Pennsylvania, man. But generally speaking, Columbus area is not bad for trucks. It's pretty good. Basically, I'm just rerouting back, I guess, to go 71 south. See any no truck signs anywhere, so I mean we should be fine. Whenever I see houses with the bars on windows, yeah, that doesn't look like a good sign. I'm just gonna take both of these lanes just in case. And when people comment, they're like, wow, why do you take up both lanes? Well, because cars will fly next to you last minute. So I would rather take up both lanes than end up picking up some idiot under my trailer Wow, those 20-30 seconds that I'll make them wait more, they're not gonna kill them. They'll be fine. Now I gotta switch like all the way to the left through 71 to go 70 eastbound. Actually, no, never mind. I thought it'd be all the way over there. When people are like hesitant on what they want to do, like either slow down or speed up, you cannot be next to me. Come on. I'm like sounding super like complainy today. It's just that type of day. Just been a mess, man. Hopefully these loads get worked out and my drivers can pick up another load and whatnot. So yeah, that's the plan. And hopefully I can get to my delivery on time. It says 5:14, but that's for a car. The good thing is it's right by 76. It's not like on some routes in the middle of nowhere. But 20,000 pounds, I mean, I'm not gonna be exactly going super slow, but I can't go super fast either, so we'll see. That's the way I would have came. That's pretty much, I think that's gonna do it for today, unless something exciting happens tonight or whatever the case. We're gonna call it quits. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. So as I was telling everybody, this thing is probably loud though, compared to like the inverter generator. Yeah, so you don't, it doesn't like overheat or anything?
There's a fan right here.
Oh, okay, so you like just pop that off and that fan is like cooling it? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a big fan.
And then transformer. A 200-watt transformer. And then it runs the fan and cools itself down.
Oh, okay, so as soon as you power it on, it turns that fan on. So it's not. And how big of a fuel tank do you even have in there?
It's a square fuel tank. It's 15 gallons right here. And
Oh,
I
man.
just use
So I mean, you don't fill often at all.
no.
Because I mean, this thing has
6 gallons.
6 gallons. So I mean, you have 21 gallons on board. But I mean, once your AC compressor kicks in, you're really not using a lot of power. See, that's what I'm saying.
I just use this, stick it in there, battery fed.
Okay.
Put more fuel over there, and that's 15 gallons. That's 6
Oh,
gallons.
okay.
And then if you get close to somewhere to fuel, I'll use this.
Oh,
You know,
okay.
if you have to walk, if you can't get the
Yeah. Man, that's what's up. But man, this, yeah. I mean, I was telling people, they're like, man, just do APU. I mean, this is, like, you can fix this. You can, if this goes out, you just go get a new generator. And I mean, as you guys can see, it works for Landstar. Shout out AK. So you had this bracket built. So when the lines move, it moves with the cab and also won't damage the outside unit. That's sick. And then inside, he's got the inside unit. Yeah, shoot, that's sick, man.